One warm summer's day, a cicada lounged on a leaf, singing to his heart's content. By the side, an industrious ant was toiling away, carrying grains back to her nest. The cicada watched the ant and chirped, "Why do you work so hard, dear ant? Come, sing with me and enjoy the lovely weather." The ant paused, wiping the sweat off her brow. "I am storing food for the winter," she replied. "You should do the same before it's too late." The cicada laughed and continued to sing, basking in the sun. As the days grew shorter and the leaves changed color, the cicada still sang, shunning the ant's advice. He relished the last warm days, unaware of the impending cold. The ant worked tirelessly, her home now bursting with provisions. When winter arrived, the vibrant forest turned into a desolate, frozen landscape. The cicada, now cold and hungry, roamed the barren woods in search of food. One evening, shivering and desperate, he reached the ant's nest and knocked softly. The ant opened the door and looked at the cicada's pitiful state. "Please, kind ant, may I have some food? I didn't prepare for winter," he pleaded. The ant sighed, looking at him with a mix of pity and reproach. "I warned you, cicada, but you chose to sing," she said. Nevertheless, she invited him inside. The ant shared her warmth and food with the cicada. Though the cicada was grateful and promised to be more prudent in the future, the ant hoped he truly understood the lesson. There is a time for work and a time for play, and wise is the one who knows when each is needed.